welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. So here I'll be showing you how I prepare my sorrel puree. So I have a bag of sorrel. So what I'll be doing, I'm just going to use some warm water to rinse it off, and I'm going to remove the stem as well. So I did go ahead and remove the stem, so now I'm just going to rinse my sorrel off. So here I have some warm water that I will be preparing my sorrel. So that's 1 cup of water. And I have some granulated sugar. I use ½ cup. So the reason for my sugar is because the sorrel can be very tart. So I'm just gonna add 1 stick of cinnamon to give my sorrel nice flavor. Just adding my sorrel in. So I'm just gonna give it a cover and just leave that for overnight. I did go ahead and remove my sorrel and place it into another container. So I did go ahead and place my sorrel into a bowl, and I use a plastic wrap to cover that. So here I have my pot, so I'm just going to pour some of my sorrel juice in because I'm going to steam it for it to become softer. So at this point you need your stove and medium. So I'm just going to pour my sorrel in. So I have a piece of ginger, I'm just going to add that as well, along with a piece of orange peel. So this is going to give it a very nice flavor. So I'm just going to leave this for 8 to 10 minutes. So now I'm just going to give it a cover. Wow guys, look at that. Beautiful. So now I have my sorrel and my sorrel juice here. So now we're just gonna blend. So this is the juice from the sorrel. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit. And then just add some of my sorrel in. Look at that, guys. That's really good. So you're gonna blend it until it's smooth. Look how lovely that looks. So that's the texture that I'm looking for. So now I'm just adding some more of my sorrel. So we're gonna do that until it's finished. Guys, so now that my puree is finished, I'm going to check it to see if that's the texture that I need. So look at that. That's the texture that I'm looking for. The texture is lovely, guys. So guys, this you can use on your chicken, you can use this to make your sauce, you can use this to make your sorrel fruit cake, you can use this to also make a jam. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.